My name is Janet Mcnaughton. I'm the president of Lasting Impressions. I serve on the advisory board to the Northwest Event Show. And on behalf of the entire Butler team, I'm delighted to invite you to an exclusive 4-part training series on trade shows. It's called Mastering the Art of Face-to-Face Business Development. It's going to be fantastic. It's just for you. And the fun starts Tuesday, June 12th at 3 p.m. We'll be meeting at the Mercer Island Community Center. Are you ready for showtime? The Northwest Event Show team has been preparing for a breakthrough to success for both exhibitors and attendees. We value your business partnership, and that is why we've created this 4-part training series. It's going to be a game changer. We want to open the lines of communication, share the vision that we have for the next 5 years, provide you with an opportunity to engage, but most of all, we want to start by giving. We want to give you the tools you need to optimize your investment as an exhibitor. The best of the best is going to be coming to share their expertise, knowledge, and next level practices. This trade show has such a big vision that the training series is actually designed for executives, leaders, and business owners. We invite you to bring your entire team so that you can share, plan, grow, and win together. On behalf of the entire Butler team, we look forward to seeing you on June 12th at 3 p.m.